Okay, so in this lesson, we're looking at slope and y-intercept and the equation of a line. I just wanted to briefly go over what we mean by that, because this is going to be something you're going to do next year really in detail. Okay, I'm just trying to kind of give you a little preview. Okay, if I say that the equation of this line that I have graphed is y equals 2x plus 1, okay, that means, okay, that's the relationship between every xy coordinate. It means every y value, it will always equal 2 times the x value plus 1 more. Okay, the y values will always equal 2 times the x value plus 1 more. It doesn't matter which point you look at on your line. That will always be true. Let's just take some of these points. Let's just, because it works with all of them, including all of the many points that aren't even on this graph. Let's just take a look at 1, 3 for a minute. Okay, my x value is 1. Remember, x comes first. My y value is 3. Okay, so in this, with this point, this is telling us that the y value of 3 is equal to 2 times the x value of 1 plus 1 more. Is that true? Okay, think about 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, does 3 equal 2 plus 1? See, it does. So the y value is always equal to 2 times the x value plus 1 more. Let's just take another one. Let's take 0.37. Okay, this equation tells us that the y value of 7 must equal 2 times the x value of 3 plus 1 more. Let's just check it out. The y value of 7 must equal 2 times the x value of 3 plus 1 more. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, 7, the y value of 7 does equal 2 times the x value plus 1, because they both equal 7. Is this kind of making sense? And again, you're going to do this in a lot more detail next year, but I just want you to get that basic understanding. The equation of a line just tells you the relationship that is always true. Okay, and we're talking about slope and y-intercept. Okay, really briefly here, the slope, travel from one point to another, rise over run. So my slope of this line, up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. My slope is 2. Okay, my y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. The y-axis. Okay, this line crosses the y-axis at 1. So my y-intercept is 1. I just want you to see this. That slope of 2, look where it's at. It's in front of my x. That y-intercept of 1, it's after the plus. Okay, that's always true with a linear equation. Okay, this, you could write it in the form where you have y equals, okay, the slope would be written in front of the x, and the y-intercept would be written at the end. Okay, it's called slope-intercept form, but you're going to get into this in a lot more detail next year. Okay, the slope goes in front of the x, the y-intercept goes at the end. And this equation gives you the relationship between all of your points.